So here's how you can download videos from Google Drive to your iPhone. Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So on your iPhone, you go to the Google Drive as usual like that, right? And you just need to locate your videos. So when you locate the videos, what you can do is to tap on the three dots next to it. And you have more options, like you have the make available offline button right there, which means that you download it for offline use, but the video still stays within the Google Drive application, right? So you don't just get it off the app, right? So if you want to download it to like your local storage of the iPhone and even appear it in a different app, make sure to click on a download, which is right below, and it will just save it to your Photos application, right? So the video will appear in your Photos alongside all of the other footage, like the photos and videos from your camera. So this makes it very simple, right? You can just download it like that, and that's like the whole point of using the Google Drive or any kind of like cloud service on the iPhone. Keep in mind, however, that we also have the ability to add a Google Drive to the Files app, which means that you can also just move it from the Files to the local storage or whatever, right? So you can also just make it a move in between that as well. So that would be like another approach, but most likely a lot of people just want to stick with the, Google Drive app, which works well as the default way people use it. So let me know if it worked out well for you. I really hope that it did. Make sure you stay tuned by subscribing so you never miss anything important in the future. That's it, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.